Okay, so in this part we will study about like how to find out the number of straight straight line. Okay, so we have to find out number of straight line and number of triangles. Okay, so what will happen, like how will you respond? You know that to draw a unique straight line we need exactly 2 points, correct? Now you also know that to find out a unique triangle we need 3 non-collinear points, correct? So this is how we will handle this situation. Now look at this, what will happen. First they will give you some number of points which will be collinear and some points will be non-collinear. So how you have to respond? Just draw this diagram, okay, and plot non-collinear points over here. Okay, suppose that there are n non-collinear points are available, and suppose that there are m collinear points are available. Okay, so how will you respond to find out number of straight line? Look at this, number of straight line. So the idea is, you know that you have to find out 2 points, correct na? So look at this, if you will select 2 point from this non-collinear part, you will be able to draw a straight line, correct? Like this is a straight line, है ना? This is a straight line and so many things. So what we will do, we will take 2 points from upper part. Okay, now look at this, now look at the other case. I will take 1 point from upper part and 1 point from lower part. Okay, now I will take 2 point from lower part. Okay, so this many cases will be there. Now look at this, you know that there exist n non-collinear points in upper part, out of which you need 2 points. So we will have NC2 number of straight lines. Okay, now look at this. In case 2, we will take 1 point from the upper part and 1 point from the lower part. So it is NC1, MC1. Now look at this. This part is unique. So if you will take any 2 point, now you will end up having only one straight line. Just think about these 2 points, this point and this point. Which line you will have? The same line. If you will take this point and this point, you will have same line, same line, same line. Okay, so in every cases we will have exactly one straight line. So total number of straight lines would be this. I hope you understood the concept. Okay, now look at this. Now we are trying to calculate number of triangles. Now you know that to draw a triangle we need 3 points. Okay, so can we take 3 points from upside only? We can draw a triangle. Can we take 2 points from up, 1 point from lower part? Can we take 1 point from up and 2 points from lower part? Can we take 3 points from lower part? No, you cannot, because you will end up having a straight line, not a triangle. So this case is invalid. Okay, now look at this. Now handle this situation. So you need 3 points from upper part. So it is NC3. You need 2 points from the upper part. So it is NC2, our task is not completed. We have to select 1 point from the lower part. So it is MC1 plus we have to take 1 point from the upper part. NC1, we have to take 2 points from the lower part. So it is MC2. So this many triangles we can create. Okay, I hope you got a rough idea. When we will solve some illustrations, you will have better clarity. Okay, so let's move on to illustrations.